My name is Emma. I am 28 years old. I live in a small village with my parents. My family is not rich, but we are happy.
Since I was a little girl, I have loved reading books and learning new things. When I finished school, I wanted to become a teacher. But life was not easy. My family did not have enough money to send me to college. I felt very sad, but I did not give up. I started working in a small bookstore. Every day after work, I read books for 2 or 3 hours. Many people laughed at me. They said, "You are wasting your time. You will never become a teacher." Their words hurt me, but I kept studying. I believed that hard work would change my life one day. After 3 years, I saved enough money to join a teacher training course. It was not easy. I studied during the day and worked at night. Sometimes I was tired, but I never stopped trying. Finally, I passed all my exams with good marks. Soon, I got a job at a village school. On my first day as a teacher, I stood in front of my students with a big smile. I remembered all the difficult days and thanked God for giving me strength. Today, I love my job. Every morning, I teach children with happiness. I always tell my students, never stop learning. Never give up on your dreams. Success comes to those who work hard and believe in themselves. Life is full of challenges, but every challenge makes us stronger. If you are patient, honest, and hardworking, one day your dreams can come true. Never give up. Hard work, patience, and self-belief always lead to success. Please subscribe to my channel for more English stories and daily English practice. Like, share, and support us. Thank you.